how we are going. So this is how we are going to put them together. You don't necessarily have to do it the way I am doing it, but from experience, this is what works best for me. So I'll start here. I'll put these two together. So I will skip this bead and put one end of the cord through these two beads. With my right, I'll take one bead, and then still with my right, I'll skip this bead here. I'll skip this bead here and enter these two beads. If you are using different colors, you can take a picture after you have assembled them so that you don't lose track of the design you want to make. So from this point, I will make the working thread, which is the right one, a little longer than the left one, because I will be making knots with the right one, and the knot consume some of the thread. So I will add one more bead to it. Then we will enter the next two on my left and the two on my right and add. Here I will go into this bead, the one at the tip, this one. I will go through it and then pick one bead with my left, and with my left fishing line I'll enter this bead. Then I move to the right and go through this bead here, just this bead. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. We will go ahead and add the 6th bead. And repeat the same on my left and add the 6th bead to it. When you get here, you enter the one here. These ones, the ones at the ends, the sharp curve, the ones here, those are the ones you would enter. So I'll enter the white here, the green here, add the bead and enter this one. So the left will enter the green. I'll pick one bead here. The right will enter the yellow. I'll pick one bead here, and the right will enter the red here. The way we ended this one, that is how we are going to end this. Never cut the cord when you get here, and also don't make a knot, because if you do, this thread is very thick, it will show, the knot will show. So you raise this part, the first part, and then please look carefully over here. This part is where I am going to join the back at. So I will put the cord in these 3 beads, and then I will add 1 bead to it to make it 4. This is the only part that you are going to have 4 beads. The rest should be 6 6. So you do it like this, then you flip it. So you enter these 2 beads, and then do the same on the right. You enter 2 beads on your right. You will add 1 bead, and you will enter the next 2 beads. When we get here, this is how it looks. You enter just this bead on your left, 1 bead on your left, and then the right will enter 1 2 3. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 beads. We will add the 6th one, then we enter 2 and then add. So basically this is how the whole thing is going to be. When we got here, we entered this bead with the left, and the right went through these 3. Over here we will do the opposite. The right will enter 1 and the left will enter 3. Then we will add the 6th bead to it, and so I will do the rest off camera and then show you how I am going to finish it. So I have completed the bag. This is how it is now looking. So I am now attaching the chain to it. So I will put it here, and then bring it here, and then come and do the same thing here and bring it out here. So with the plier I'll open this part and then add it to this one and close it. So our bag is now ready. What I will do is I will just put a purse in it. Those that sells bags, they have some of these purses. So you just buy any of them. They come in different colors and sizes, and you put it in. I don't line them. This is how I make my bags.